There is one most important word in the English language, and that word is understanding. We are here to explore that word understanding. How do you understand a frog? How do you understand a snake? How do we understand ourselves? If you want to understand, you have to stand under. Then only you can understand. Stand under a hill, under a tree, to understand the hill and the tree. When you understand something, you expand your consciousness. About 40 years back, I started understanding myself through meditation. Before that, I couldn't understand who the hell this fellow is. The more I understand a frog, I understand myself. Understanding comes from meditation. Remember this point. Gautama Buddha understood about himself that he is a big zero only through meditation. He obtained nirvana, parinirvana, mahaparinirvana because he understood himself as nobody else understood him. When you understand yourself, you can understand every other creature. We are happy to come here to understand each other.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.